Once upon a time, in a cozy little village, there lived a curious squirrel named Sami. Sami loved exploring the forest and making new friends. One sunny day, he stumbled upon a magical pond hidden deep within the woods. The pond shimmered with colors like a rainbow. Integrated, Sami dipped his paw into the water. Suddenly, he sank to the size of a walnut. Panicked but determined, Sami embarked on a tiny adventure. He met talking animals, danced with butterflies, and learned valuable lessons about bravery and friendship. When he finally returned home, Sami realized that big adventure can come in a small size.